Voiceover. Welcome to our video on how to create and sell digital products, tips and tricks. In today's digital age, creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks or courses, has become an excellent way to monetize your skills and knowledge. In this video, we will be sharing our insights and experience as successful digital product creators to help you create and sell your own digital products. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. And for those of you who have been following our channel, don't forget to check out our previous videos on related topics. We also have a video playlist with more helpful content that you can check out after watching this video. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about choosing a topic for your digital product. The key to success is to choose a topic that you are passionate about and that has a market demand. You want to make sure that your digital product is solving a problem or fulfilling a need for your target audience. Research your market and competitors to find out what people are looking for and what gaps you can fill. Next, let's talk about creating and formatting your product. Whether it's an ebook or a course, you want to make sure that your digital product is well structured and easy to follow. Use a clear and concise writing style, add visuals, and include interactive elements to engage your audience. Make sure to test your product before launching it to ensure that it is error-free and user-friendly. Once your product is ready, it's time to set a price. You want to strike a balance between affordability and profitability. Research your market and competitors to find out what prices they are charging for similar products. Don't undervalue your work, but also make sure that your product is priced competitively. Now, let's talk about promoting your product. You can have the best product in the world, but if nobody knows about it, you won't make any sales. Use social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. Collaborate with influencers in your niche and offer them a commission for every sale they make. Don't be afraid to experiment with different marketing strategies to see what works best for you. Tracking and analyzing your sales is also crucial. Use analytics tools to track your sales, conversion rates, and customer behavior. This will help you identify areas for improvement and optimize your marketing strategy. Creating and selling digital products can be a lucrative business if done right. Choose a topic you're passionate about and that has market demand, create a well-structured and user-friendly product, set a competitive price, promote it through various channels, and track your sales to optimize your marketing strategy. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and share it with your friends who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.